How to change messages writing style using AI in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open Messages app, click on New Text Messages, select Contact, click on Text Messages. Now write message. Now click on arrow. Here you will see AI option. Now click on AI. Now click on Writing Style. Here you will see Writing Style. Select writing style that you want. After selecting writing style, click on replace. After click on replace, change messages writing style using AI from your phone. This is how you can change messages writing style using AI in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.